Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the Xiaomi Redmi Turbo 4, the latest powerhouse from Xiaomi. With cutting-edge specifications and premium features, let's find out if this device lives up to the hype. The Redmi Turbo 4 measures 161 by 75.2 8.1 millimeters and weighs 203.5 grams. It feels solid in the hand and comes with IP68 dust and water resistance, making it durable for everyday use. It is available in 3 stunning colors, black, white, and blue, giving you stylish options to match your personality. The display is a showstopper. A 6.67-inch AMOLED panel with support for Dolby Vision, HDR10+ and HDR Vivid ensures stunning visuals. With a peak brightness of 3200 nits, outdoor visibility is unmatched. Plus, the 120Hz refresh rate delivers buttery smooth scrolling and gaming. For added security, the under-display optical fingerprint scanner works seamlessly. Battery life is a critical feature, and the Redmi Turbo 4 doesn't disappoint. With a massive 65 and 50 mAh battery, it can easily last over a day with heavy use. Charging is ultra-fast thanks to the 90-watt wired charging, giving you hours of power in just a few minutes. Under the hood, the Redmi Turbo 4 is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 8400 Ultra chipset built on the 4nm process. Running on Android 15 with HyperOS 2, you get a smooth and customizable software experience. The camera setup is impressive. The dual camera system on the back includes a 50-megapixel wide sensor with an f1.5 aperture, PDAF, and OIS for stunning low light and stabilized shots. 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens with a 15mm field of view for capturing more in a single frame. For video enthusiasts, it supports 4K recording at 60 FPS and slow motion up to 960 FPS with gyro EIS for steady footage. On the front, there's a 20-megapixel selfie camera capable of shooting sharp selfies and 1080p videos at 30 FPS. When it comes to memory, the Redmi Turbo 4 offers plenty of options. 256GB storage with 12GB or 16GB RAM, and 512GB storage with 12GB or 16GB RAM. Although there's no card slot for expandable storage, the large internal options should suffice for most users. Connectivity and ports. On the connectivity front, the Redmi Turbo 4 offers dual nano SIM support, NFC for contactless payments, infrared port to control appliances, USB Type-C 2.0 with OTG support. However, there's no 3.5mm headphone jack, which might disappoint some audiophiles. To wrap it up, the Xiaomi Redmi Turbo 4 is a beast of a device, offering premium features, robust performance, and an incredible display at an attractive price point. Whether you're a gamer, a content creator, or a casual user, this phone has something for everyone. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let us know your thoughts about the Redmi Turbo 4 in the comments below.